I just finished printing a 3D printed gun, and so I'm sharing that with you. But first, I want to drink to your health. Let's have some Jenkum juice. If you haven't fermented poop, particularly diarrhea, and then huffed it up, oh, 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 it's so whistling. It's so grotesquely wonderful. Puvana is a place to long for. But it only comes after we do the square numbers. 9 squared's gun. It goes Zveit, Zvine, Gate, Gun. Because 8 has a G in it. So Gate, Gun, Gu, Gi, Gor, Give, Gix, Gev, Gage, Gine. To repeat that, it's Gun, Gu, Gi, Gor, Give, Gix, Gev, Gage, Gine, Night, as you might expect. But unlike your expectation, Gun squared is Skive Skun, 6,561. And Skive Skun, Skev Twor, Skate Gine, Zvent Fix, Zvu Twive, Zvi Fix, Zvor Skine. Wait, is that true? No. Zvi Fix. Zvor Zvive Twive. Oh no. See, my square numbers get mixed up. But they're actually the easiest number line to remember, because as the square numbers ascend, the lowest box, those 2 digits that go into a single Hanimal character, they go up and then they go down. So the square numbers, like 25 is 625, 6 twive, up from it is 6 svix, down from it is 5 svix. Up from that is 7 twine, down from that is 5 twine. So the last number of the square numbers, because you only have 100 places to put them, it repeats over and over. So you can see how that's advantageous if you want to memorize a listing of numbers. Then Zo, 1, 4, 9, Snix, Twive, Thrix, Frine, Score, Gun, Hun. We just passed Gun. We passed Gun to get to Hun. Hun Twun, Hun Fror, Hun Skine, Hun Nix, 2 Twive, 2 Fix, 2 Gine, 3 Twor, 3 Skun, 4 Hun. 4 Frun, 4 Gore, 5 Twine, 5 Svix, 6 Twive, 6 Svix. 7 Twine, 7 Gore, 8 Frun, 9 Hun. 9 Skun is 961. 9 Skun, Zot Twor, Zot Gine, Want Fix, 1156, Want Fix, Toon Twive, 1225. Toon Nix, Threen Skine, Forn Fror, Vine Twun, Snix Hun, Snix Gun, Zveen Score, Ain't Frine, Ain't Thrix, Twent Twive, Twun Snix, Twu 9, Twee 4, Twor 1, Twive Hun. We just got to 5th squared, and it took you no time at all. So let's go from Twive Hun up to Gun squared, Skive Skun. And then let's see if we can round out the rest of 1 Hun squared. So from Twive Hun, it goes to Twix 1, Twev 4, Twait 9, Twine Snix, Thurt Twive, Thrun Thrix, Through Frine, 3,249, Threet Score, Thror Gun, Thrix Hun, Threv Twun, Thrate Fror, Thrine Skine, Fort Nix, Fru Twive, Free Fix, Fror Gine, Frix Twor, Frev Skun, Frine Hun. 5th Frun, Fun Gore, Fu Twine, 5,229, Fees Vix, Fix Twive, Fevsvix, Fate Twine, 6th Gore, Scoofrun, Score Hun. Now we're at 81 squared. Gun squared is Skive Skun. And then we go to Skev Twor, Skate Gine, Zvent Fix, Zvu Twive, Zvi fix, zvor skyn, zvix twor, sveit gun, gun hun. I've screwed it up. And I memorized this so well. It can get weird when you're saying the words and you lose it. Gun squared is Skiv's gun. There's no question. 6,561 is when you take two guns, you aim them at each other, and you fire the bullets, and the bullets hit midstream. As they collide in the center of that scenario, you and your twin firing a gun at each other, the bullets hit. That's Skiv's gun. Gun to the tooth is Skiv's gun. Skev twor, skate gein, zvent fix, zvu twive, zvi fix, zvor skyn, zvix twor, zveit gein, Svine fix, gun hun. Gu gun, gore score, gix frine, guy give thrix, gauge twive, gyn snicks, ninth snicks, new nine, nix floor, nor one. Shit. Oh, I don't have it. I spent forever going over the square numbers in my head, and I can do so many of them. But when I try and start at a specific place, I don't have the follow through. And I don't have it. I can't pretend that I do. I could make 1,000 more videos and try and get it perfect, but it's a fiction. My brain is Swiss cheese. Guns have been traveling through it every day, all day, for forever. And so the gaps in my brain is where Skiv's gun continues. Because score hun, Skiv's gun, skev twor, skate gein, zvent fix, zvu twive, zvor nix, zvix skyn, zveit fror, zvine twun, gun hun. Gu gun, gore score, gix frine, gauge thrix, ninth twive, new snicks, nor nine, nix four, nate one, one ian. 121, 144, 169, 18 snicks, 1 zote twive, 1 tune fix, 1 forn skyn, etc. Who cares? If you have the duplicates, if you have the square numbers in your head, you can get a number like 79 and multiply it by 78, and you just get like either 78 or 79 squared, and either add or subtract to 78 or 79, whatever makes sense. And you can get so many numbers so quickly that way if you have the square numbers in your head at all times. But I wasn't born with Hanimal. That's a gift to the future. And so my gift for now is just more Jankum. I hope you had a good ride. And I hope that you have your own fermented rainbow poop to huff and to suck. And I hope you have, honestly, a great day. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.